Guys, y'all haven't seen a race car video. I think the last one I released was part 13, and that was months ago. So there's some stuff that's happened since then. Over here at the shop helping is Matthew Quick. He is a guru with building Mercedes hot rods. And what are you doing right here? This is the shifter?
Yeah, this is a shifter from IRP, Individual Racing Products. When you're doing a manual transmission swap with either a BMW transmission or a Mercedes 6-speed, this is one of my favorite ones to use. It has adjustable lockouts for reverse, and then it's got a button up top that will allow you to shift without ever fearing hitting reverse. That's really important on the Mercedes 6-speeds, especially the early ones, because they don't have built-in reverse lockout detent like the later ones or like the BMW transmissions do.
And we are using a BMW.
We are using a BMW transmission, so it's not necessarily as important on this specific transmission, but this is still a really nice quality shifter.
It does look nice. That's anodized aluminum.
Yep, and it feels good to shift it. I've got the same one in my W108.
So we've got, Matthew's working on that, and what Matthew also finished, just put in, look at that. We now have 3 pedals. That looks good. Oops, I don't know if I was supposed to press that. But I just pressed the clutch pedal and heard something hit the ground. Anyway, got the clutch pedals in. You can see the center console is apart here, and I guess the shifter will end up somewhere right there. So this thing is coming along nicely. Of course, you guys have seen the engine, and this car has been used as storage for parts while I work on other cars. So definitely when this car is done, it's going to have to go to paint. And we have our first Go Fast sticker on here. There we go, individual racing parts. And also what Matthew did a couple weeks ago, he went ahead and installed the E500 fender on this side, and also did some stuff under the hood, which we're going to need to back the car up to get under there. But I'll show you some more stuff that's been happening under there. Also, we have, what have we ordered? Some various hoses for power steering. This is a weld-in kit for, I guess this would be the shifter linkage. Is this what it is? And who is this from?
Garagistic.
Garagistic. So this is, cut to length and weld it together. And that will be the shifter linkage that actually attaches to right there. Let me get out of your way. And what else do we have over here? Didn't we order a clutch or the red line?
Oh, yeah.
Also from Garagistic. And what is this? This is the
flex line to go to the clutch slave cylinder.
There we go. Flex line for the clutch slave cylinder. So anyway, once we get the car backed up and off from the wall, we'll lift the hood and get it on the lift, and we'll show you some more stuff that's going on. What we got going on here?
I'm just cutting out the hole for the shifter.
Oh, nice. A little air-powered jigsaw.
Yeah, body saw.
And there's the hole right down there.
Yeah, I just got to clean it up a little bit.
Let me get out of your way.
Watch out.
Okay, Matthew is punching, using a center punch to punch holes where he wants to drill holes for the shifter, which he just put together. Yeah, there we go. Look at that nice shifter. And then he's going to...
comes with a dust boot.
And it's got the dust boot. And you can see where he cut the hole for the shifter linkage to go. And now he's tapping holes, or drilling holes in there to mount that shifter. All right, Matthew is done installing the shifter. And that is nice. Look at that. Wow. So now we got to go put the car on the lift, and somebody's got to go under the car to hold the nut on while somebody tightens it from the top. So we'll do that. All right, I'm riding up in the lift while Matthew's down there. and we're gonna go ahead and tighten these bolts. He's gonna go under the car, and I'll do it from in here.
All right, which one is the wrench in right now?
Okay guys, the shifter's installed. All the bolts have been tightened down. Now you can see there's a little ball socket there. That is the brake interlock. I think you have to put your foot on the brake before you can take a automatic out of park. So I don't think we're going to use that one anymore. The other one is for, Matthew, you say the other one was to start it?
Yeah.
That triggers, that lets you, tells the engine control module that the car is in park.
No, sorry. It's that one is so that you can't take it out of park without the key in it.
We'll probably use that one still, right?
Yeah, we'll leave that in there.
But then the other one, we're not going to have a need for that. But yeah, look at that trick shifter. That looks really good. So let me get out of this car now. We're cutting off the tow hook so the intercooler piping can route in that direction. All right, what's going on under here?
So the clutch line that I guessed at, that's a perfect fit for the clutch slave cylinder.
It's a nice looking clutch line.
So now we just need the hard line to go from an M10 by 1 here to an M12 by 1 at the Mercedes Clutch Master.
Nice.
And then back here, we've got the shifter here. That's one end of our DSSR. And then up here, you can see the bushing is kind of blown out on the selector joint here.
Yeah.
So the new end won't actually fit around the bushing. So we gotta get a new selector joint end. And that you just pop the snap ring off, and the roll pin drops out and it slides off.
Can we do that with the with this in the car?
Yeah.
That's good. And up here, I took out the intercooler brackets. So these are Luke over at Diesel Pump UK makes these, and they're really nice brackets that there we go, that mount up in here like this, but your radiator and intercooler can mount on there.
Let's get this in there.
All right, and I just cut off right there. I just cut off the tow hook. That's what I was doing a minute ago. There it is there. So we can mount this intercooler.
So you gotta get this
that's
part
right.
up above. Yeah.
Like that.
There we
Something
go.
like that. How'd you get that in there? There we go. All right, then this pulls down.
Yep. And before you get that one in too far, put the other one in. It's
All right.
all gonna move together.
All right. Up those fins. All right, let's see. There we go. Something about right there.
Yep.
All right, let me get this down here. All right. There we go. How's that one?
It's just about there.
You just come this way, right?
A little bit.
This is mine holding.
Yeah.
There we go. Is that lined up? Oh, it
It's
needs to come back.
It's gotta come this way, yeah. Perfect tool for this.
That's it, isn't it?
Yep.
All right.
Always hammer in your bolts.
How the pros do it. We bolt hammer. And remember, if it doesn't fit right the first time, just hit it harder.
Yeah.
Damn thing wants us to bend the fin.
Brackage? Yeah.
That's not it. Let me see what Luke sent.
I think you'll need to reduce it up top.
To do what up top?
Reduce it to fit on the turbo. Because the boot up there is a little too big.
Oh yeah, I see right there.
But otherwise, it's pretty much spot on. It might be in the way of the drain. Maybe get an angle, like a 45 to come off the turbo.
A 45 boot?
Yeah.
Okay.
We can get a better look when we've got it. Get it together tomorrow.
Okay. Can this be cut? That pipe? Oh no, it's already made. Yeah, the pipe that goes to the turbo.
Yeah.
All right, we'll figure that out later. All right, guys, here's a little update on the race car. You can see the intercooler is in there, but also you can see there's the wastegate. There's a little blow-off tube that goes back into the downpipe. And there is the beautiful downpipe, stainless steel, TIG welded. And here we go. Look at that beautiful exhaust. Very nice. Passes right underneath there. Standard exhaust hanger. I need to get another one of those. That one's cracked pretty good. But there we go, guys. And that appears to be 2.5. I think we did 3-inch, yeah. Here we go. We got to get the drive shaft through there. So probably gonna have to do a 2.5-inch steel rather than a 3-inch aluminum, just to get the clearance. There's the back of the transmission, and we have our adapter plates back here for the. That's going to be a 1350 U joint there, up to a 1350 U joint that's going to go up there. And here's what that'll look like. See the adapter. There's the BMW transmission adapter. There we go.